Cities are complex ecosystems. Behind the buildings and beneath the pavement are vital systems that keep our daily lives moving, such as water lines, traffic signals, power grids, and more. Data from these systems can not only provide us with an intricate understanding of our urban habitat, they can also be used to create a digital twin where changes can be modeled, simulated, and visualized, providing fresh insights to improve sustainability, resilience, and livability. All of this is becoming possible because of a new virtual platform created by researchers in Georgia Tech's School of Civil and Environmental Engineering called a Smart City Digital Twin. Since its inception in 2017, interest and research on the platform has grown rapidly. Cities are actively using digital twins to understand stormwater maintenance, improve public transit and mobility, enhance emergency response, and analyze energy consumption patterns. However, while many are finding great value in small-scale smart city digital twin deployments, the technology has yet to be fully utilized on a full city scale. A fuller integration of data streams across infrastructure systems into a smart city digital twin will allow large cities to access deeper insights that will enable them to better understand, predict, plan for, and even react to the complexities of urban living. Take, for instance, the example of a fire in a tall urban building. A smart city digital twin could alert first responders of the emergency, provide real-time updates and predictions on the extent of the emergency in the critical first minutes, notify the power grid and water supply of a need for increased resources, adjust traffic signals to divert traffic away from the scene, allow first responders to arrive on the scene more quickly, and enable building occupants to evacuate to safety. With a smart city digital twin, we could actually test this scenario over and over to ensure that we have identified the best solutions for this and other emergencies, while at the same time improving the sustainability and livability of the city. In short, a smart city digital twin represents a necessary platform toward integrating, visualizing, and operationalizing many complex data streams to transform our cities and our experiences of them for the better. For more information, visit Georgia Tech's School of Civil and Environmental Engineering online.